Hello, and welcome back. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, it's all about oven baked barbecue chicken. And this barbecue chicken, it's flavorful, juicy, saucy, simply delicious. Okay, so I need you to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. And let's get right to it. So let's start with our seasoning. To clean chicken, okay, wash. We're gonna add some olive oil. We're gonna add ginger, soy sauce, and a little bit of browning. And of course, the measurements will be in the description box for you. We're gonna add some barbecue sauce, and bullseye is my absolute favorite. So now to the spices, we need this much, okay? Yes, we want our chicken to be well seasoned. So we need some paprika. We're gonna use some black pepper, onion powder, a little bit of pepper, a little bit of cayenne pepper, salt, sage, and a garlic powder. Okay, give that a good mix, and then you're gonna add that to your meat. Make sure that everything gets coated with that seasoning. Okay, and we are going to go ahead and give that a good mix. And you can tell already from the color, and you guys can't smell it, but the smell is amazing. Look at it, so you know it's gonna be good. I hate bland barbecue chicken legs, like just like pork chops. I hate it. It has to be colorful, okay, and nice and well seasoned. And we are gonna let that marinate overnight, preferably, or a few hours is fine. So grease your baking dish, and I'm just using butter. And by this, your oven should be ready. It should be at 350, ready to go. Okay, so you're gonna place your chicken legs into your baking dish. As I said before, your oven should be preheated at 350, and we're gonna pop that in for 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, this is what it looks like. Look at the color, you guys. It smells amazing. We are halfway there. And I need you to stay with me. You're going to see how I do my barbecue sauce. We're getting to the fun part. But let me tell you, it looks amazing already, okay? So go ahead and flip these over, and then you are going to pop these back into the oven for about 20 minutes because we want even cooking. Okay, we want to make sure that our chicken is cooked all the way through prior to us adding the barbecue sauce. Okay, before you put that back into the oven, I need you to remove most of the liquid from the dish. Okay, so we are going to add the barbecue sauce, and we need some sugar. Okay, so to the liquid that you saved, you're gonna add the sugar and the barbecue sauce, and you're gonna add some lemon juice, and you're gonna give that a good mix. And again, the measurements will be in the description box for you. So after 20 minutes, this is what it's supposed to be looking like. Look at the color. It looks like it was on the grill, but it wasn't. So I'm telling you, just follow the recipe, follow the steps, and you will achieve the same consistency. Okay, so there's a little bit of water, as you can see, so you're gonna drain that as much as you can, and you're gonna set that aside. I mean, you can use it for gravy. So you're gonna take your barbecue sauce now, and you're gonna base the surface of your chicken legs. So make sure that every area is coated with that barbecue sauce. It's tangy, it's sweet, it's savory. It's gonna give you a nice color. It's just, oh, it's everything. Okay, so you're gonna give them a good base, and then after you've done that, you are going to pop that back in the oven for a few minutes, about 5 to 7 minutes, and then you're gonna flip, because we don't want it on one side, we want the sauce to be on both sides. So you're gonna flip, and then you're gonna do the same thing on the other side. And look at the color, you guys. It's looking so good. So once you've done that, you're gonna pop that back in the oven for about 5 minutes, and your barbecue chicken is ready. Look at the color. It looks like it was on the grill. As I said before, just follow the recipe, and I just had to take a small bite to show you guys how juicy it was, how flavorful. And remember, please like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. And you can pair this with your favorite side dish. I did mine with some rice and peas, and you can check out the shorts that I have on that for a quick tutorial. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.